Okay, hi guys, you're gonna have to excuse the janky recording. So, MetaQuest 3, you're never gonna see a video like this from me again. I'm trying to review this headset. I'm not a reviewer as such, this is my own headset that I've purchased. But I have an issue that I've already put up on YouTube already, where the head strap, I blamed these adapters for not being able to adjust my headset. I'm not sure why it's worse with this, but that is not the cause. What I'm actually finding is even on this cloth head strap, it doesn't matter where I look in my playspace, it doesn't matter what I do, I'm not taking the piss with this. This is perfectly fine in normal use, and I can adjust from the back, that's fine. It's not like it's something that the front cameras are seeing if it's jumping up and down unexpectedly. It's nothing to do with that. If I just cup my hands, I'm not covering the cameras, I just want to adjust the volume. Yeah, so I'm just doing it like this. I'm not covering the cameras. Just adjust the volume. I go to move the headset around, and the tracking's gone. I cannot prove any more than that I'm not breaking this on purpose. This is a cloth strap, nothing to do with the accessories. I'm going to look into the distance. It can't possibly be a problem here. There's loads of light over here. This is the same play space as normal. I'm not covering the cameras. Nope, not covering the cameras, and it's gone. So I don't know whether that's going to come across in the webcam. I know this is a really crappy recording because this is a webcam microphone. I can't do any more than show that I'm simply trying to adjust the headset, and it conks out. The tracking goes. So I'm not sure what the deal is. Whether I've got faulty cameras somewhere here. It doesn't matter what I do. How can I adjust this and cover the camera? That's not an issue. That's not an issue. I don't understand this at all. It can't be me being radioactive, I wouldn't have thought. Or having some bloody electromagnetic interference. I'm grabbing the faceplate. I don't know whether that's coming across on the camera. I'm grabbing the faceplate. Tracking lost. It won't come back if I leave my hands here. I'm not sure what the deal is. I honestly don't understand this in the slightest. So, for me, I'm not going to review this headset. I'd like to get a return made, but this is a really nice headset. No Mura, no dead pixels. I can't even begin to work on it because I just want to simply adjust the headset and my tracking goes every single time. So this is going to be the 4th or 5th factory reset in 2 days to try and get around this problem. There's nothing I can do. I can use the headset perfectly fine as it is, just not touch the headset. But that's a problem because this cloth strap is crap and I need to take the weight off my face. So it's gone. Every time I do that, it goes. So I'm not sure what the deal is, whether it's a faulty headset, something within this update, me just being incredibly unlucky yet again, which seems to be the stigma on these quests for me. So yeah, the review video is not going to come from me because I just can't possibly use this headset and to just deal with this. It's going to have to go back. So yeah, that's the update. So I don't know what else to do. If someone can replicate this, fantastic. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I honestly don't. That's gone. Can you see where my hand is? It's not covering the cameras, front or the sides. That would be in the natural resting place for me to just do the volume, and it goes. So I don't know what the hell's going on with this headset. So that's it. That's it from me. Cheers, guys. Thanks.